The age of a man is 3 times the sum of the ages of his two sons, and 5 years hence his age will be double the sum of their ages. Find the present age of the man. Okay, let's consider the first piece of information we have over here. The age of a man is 3 times the sum of the ages of his two sons. Since this is a present form verb, the age of a man given over here is the present age of the man, and sum of the ages of two sons given over here, sum of the present ages of two sons. And our aim is to find the present age of the man. We can assume x as the present age of the man. Let me write the stuff over here. Present age of the man. And we can take y as a sum of the present ages of two sons. Let me write the stuff. Sum of the present ages of two sons. According to the first piece of information, the age of a man, the percentage of the man is equal to 3 times the sum of the percentages of two sons. That is 3 times y. Okay, now let's consider this information. That is 5 years hence. After 5 years, let me write the stuff. After 5 years, the age of the man x will be increased by 5. That is, x will become x positive 5. So after 5 years, 5 years hence is the age of the man will be means is equal to double. Double means 2 times sum of their ages. Sum of the ages of two sons. Okay, after 5 years, this y will become y positive 5 positive 5. Why I am adding 5 2 times? Because y contains the present ages of two sons. After 5 years, age of each son will be increased by 5. Since there are two sons in y, we have to add 5 2 times. Okay, now we can plug in this 3y for x over here. Then we get 3y positive 5 equals to 2 times y positive 10. Okay, here 3y positive 5 equals to, we can distribute this 2 to this 5 and 10, then we get 2y positive 20. Let me subtract 2y from both sides of the equation and also subtract 5 from both sides to solve for y. This positive 2y and 82 will cancel out, positive and 85 will cancel out. The simplification of this one is y, and here the simplification is 15. Okay, here I got the value of y, and our aim is to find the value of x, which gives the percentage of the man. Now we can plug in this 15 for y into this equation. Then we have x equals to 3 times 15. We have x equals to 3 times 15 is 45. Therefore, the percentage of the man is 45 years.